Anji, very good morning. Hello, students. Very good morning to all of you. How are you? Enjoying the season? Very good morning, Siddharth, Megha, Meghna, Simran, Hitesh, Annie Khan, Rahul, Vendreddy, Samosa, and all rest of the students. Good morning to all of you. Hey Ram, hey Ram. Fine, beta Gayatri. Good morning to all of you. Gomethi, Krishnan, after a long time. Hello, Bhardwaj ji. Come on. Let's start today's session. Beta, in the last class, what we did, since I have very limited lecture, so without going side by side, I'm just focusing directly on the main things. Okay. Beta, in banking, what we did till the last lecture, let's recall. Till the last lecture, we did all these things. As I told you, these are the series which are being done by me with you all. In case of banking companies, we did all the theory part. In this case, 2 or 3 points related to theory are pending, which are to be covered during the lecture today. After these types of banks, banking business, then I told you that beta, there is a theory in unit 1. What kind of theories are there in unit 1? Rest unit 2, you already know. As I shown you the screen on the screen, your study material. Unit 2, unit 2 is there, which shows what kind of books of accounts are there and what is the financial statement format, which we shall discuss today. We shall complete today. In unit 3, what I told you, there is a notes to accounts in the financial statement always, in which there is a ratio which we have to calculate. In this case, like debt equity ratio, there is a CAR ratio which we have to calculate. In unit 4, the income recognition rules and classification of assets performing and non-performing are there, which we have covered during till the last lecture. Unit number 5, some special kind of transactions are there, in which there are 3 types of transactions are there. Number 1, discounting of bill, for which we did practice in the last class. Acceptance, collection of bills. For these, practice was not done till the last class, but the topic was covered. Today, we shall do question number 16, in which you will find all these 3 transactions in a single question. Question number 16. I hope in homework you could find the doubt in the question. After this, unit number 16 is there in our study material, which is in which complete questions are there related to financial statement, combination of all these things. So what I did, I merged all the units in a single PDF along with the past examination question, for which I have given you a single PDF in which all the things have been arranged systematically. Yes, beta, sir, problem number 16, please. I know, Siddharth, I have already informed you that I am gonna explain and discuss with you all question number 16. I already told you the same thing. I know where your doubt can be raised. Okay. Since 2010, I am teaching after CA qualification. Before that, also I was teaching in 5 years also. Okay, so it is like 17 years. So that's the reason I was telling you that question number 16 will be there, which will be definitely problem for you, and I'm gonna solve that first. Okay, beta. Anyways, all the units have been combined in a single PDF by me, along with past examination question. Why I always recall these things to you? Because before exam, most of the student feels problem in this regard. they don't even properly plan how to study this chapter, and they see 5 units, 6 units are there, and they feel fear in this chapter. So just to remove that fear, I arranged all the questions sequentially, and you know how many questions we have done till the class. Very few questions are pending which are related to financial statement directly. So first we shall do practice of the earlier class. What was the topic which we covered in the last class? See, that was, again I'm showing you one more thing, the types of question we arrange here. What are the type of question from this chapter? Income recognition questions, performing, non-performing, and income recognition on those performing or non-performing assets. Okay, beta. Here 2 points are additions which are only related to theory. Normally question doesn't ask. In case of infrastructure, some additional points are there for provisioning. Okay, beta. Then you can read it from theory. We are discounted, we have done. Now, although I have covered in the last class bills for collection, acceptance, and announcement theory part. Okay, but the practice was not there. Even a single question I think we have done, but the problematic area is there in question number 16. So today I'm gonna discuss with you all, solve with you all question number 16, which is combination of both part, both types of questions are there. Type 2 plus type 3. In a single question, you will practice second and third type of question. Okay, beta? I'm gonna do this first. And after that, we shall move for the financial statement format, then P&L account practice. Okay, beta? Anyways, I wanna take a doubt. Shriram, sir, whatever we are learning with respect to bank in advanced accounting, also learn with the audit of bank in auditing also simultaneously. Yes, beta, you are right, Shriram. I always explain the student with my auditing experience. If you are thinking in this way that you are going to check the accounts of bank, then first you have to understand what kind of accounts and how they maintain the accounts. And here you are simultaneously filling the audit, then it is my purpose fulfillment. This is the basic objective of my teaching. I always prefer that students must be equivalent to chartered accountant while they are getting the knowledge, not only for passing the marks. That's the main purpose. Very good. Anyways, I like these words, Sriram. Highly thankful to you. Anyways, now better come to question number 16. I know question number 16 was there, and suddenly student also, Siddharth also giving the message, sir, please tell us question number 16. I already told you that the same kind of doubt will be there. Anyways, let's start. So give me a Josh. Are you all ready? Give me a message. Yes, sir, we are ready. Ben Reddy, where are you? In your name, there is a ready also. So don't eat samosa or burger or dosa. Give me a ready sign up. We are starting now. Question number 16. Ben Reddy, leave dosa and come to question number 16. I hope you will not mind when I make a fun with you all guys. Anyways, question number 16. Ready. Ben Ready said, I am ready. Yes. Question number 16, beta. Ben Ready is always ready because ready is there. Yes, we are ready. Okay. Let's start. Following facts have been taken out from the records of Adarsh Bank. Beta, in practical life, you will find another name like State Bank, like Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda, Syndicate Bank. Although bank has been merged, now you will see in case of Vijay Bank, now there is a board. Now Bank of Baroda, it means that bank has been amalgamated with another bank. Okay. So see, while you will be in audit, then definitely you will be on audit of government bank normally. So feel like there is a bank near to your home and you are going to audit that bank. It was the practical experience of mine in nearby bank. I was living there, and by chance to the firm in which I was a partner, I got audit, and I felt that it's the practical thing which I always told to students. Yeah, see, following facts have been taken out from the think about your near bank. Even though you have written here Adarsh Bank in respect of the year ending March 31st, 2022. So first point belongs to bills for collection. First, I want to tell you clearly, understand and underline. It will be much better if you give heading there. And second point belongs to acceptance, endorsement, etc. Okay. And third point is with some different thing. Okay, beta. That is totally different. That is not on this. Third point, point number C is there for provisioning, and point number D is for rebate on bill discounted. Okay, beta. So you can uh, rebate on bill discounted. So third point is there when you can give heading BR discounted. It will help you while you will be revising your all these chapters. Bill discounted, bill discounted. In case of first point, give heading bills for collection, bills for collection before one day before exam. You don't have so much of time to revise. Okay, beta, to go into the depth. These heading will help you to revise in shortest time. Bills for collection, and here give heading acceptance, endorsement, etc. Here you do combination of different aspect of the banking. So let's start. But please solve this question systematically, not in hurry. Definitely you are having doubt because only one thing is there. The style of question reading, the style of question gripping, only these things are different between you and me. Now, I'm gonna read this question with you all guys in the same manner in which you should study. And definitely when I will study in the same in the manner, then definitely you will be the first who will be answering the correct. Because you may be in problem because you are not catching the question in the proper manner. Beta, please see. Bills for collection. Now in mind there is a image. What is the image? The image is there that it's not my liability. It is the assets. It is the things. It is the document which has been handed over by my client to me, and I have to maintain only the records. Only records. Memorandum records. Either I will not record, or if I will record, then definitely there will be two sides. Bills for collection is for assets, and the same corresponding is the for the liability also. So I'm gonna solve this question from PDF directly. Why? So that we can save time. Okay, beta. So please don't mind. I am gonna solve this question show you solution directly from PDF. See, I am highlighting here. See, opening balance of bills for collection was 7 lakh. It means in my mind, what is the image? Assets and liabilities bill for collection both are same. Neither that is my liability, nor that is my assets. Only I have to maintain record on the both of the side. So beta, I will record bills for collection assets and also bills for collection liability. So in the both the side, I have my opening balance. Bills for collection assets, bills for collection liability. First, I have opened two lasers. First, I have opened two lasers. And what I did, I put it here the opening balances 7 lakh opening balance is in asset side, and also corresponding opening balance is in liability side. Tell me fast. Opening balance is clear or not? Please give message. Opening balance is clear or not? I am waiting for your answer, beta. Please give me message. Opening balances are clear or not? Step by step, we shall do. Pandit D and all the other students, Siddharth, Amrita, Rahul, Gayatri, Meghna, Smitha, Annie Khan, Hitesh, and all rest of the students. Tell me fast. Till this okay? Opening balance is okay? Please write message. Okay, clear, clear. Yes, yes. Okay. Now, the second line of the question is during the year, bills received for collection. Okay, another bills are coming, and I have to maintain record on both the side, left and right, left and right. Okay, how much amount is there? 64 lakh 50,000. Okay, I will record on both the side. And the bills for collection assets account debit and to bills for collection liability is there. Okay, ji, okay. Bills for collection assets account debit to bills for collection liability corresponding credit given to liability by debiting the assets. In the same way, in case of liability account, we are doing the posting on the opposite side. Bills for collection assets account debit to bills for collection liability account. Now tell me fast. During the year, okay. Please message during the year, okay. We have to go step by step because this is the topic which is very confusing. But only confusion is there when we are not reading properly. Please message during the year, okay. There must be two-way communication and active communication must be there. Okay. All the YouTube students, you can give communication by way of like and sharing. I am waiting for your answer, beta. Okay, during the year. Okay, yes. Now, see, bills collected. Bills collected 47 lakh. Now tell me, who I am? I am bank. Is this my assets? No. Only I have to maintain record. The amount will be credited to customer, but in bills for collection account, my responsibility is over. I have to cut those bills. I have to remove. I have to delete those bills from the records, cancel those bills from the records, which have been either settled in cash or settled in dishonor at any way. Means those have been decided, whatever the reason will be there. So 47 lakhs has been decided. It means I have not to maintain the record for 47 lakhs. Okay, beta? So 47 lakh is also now cancelling from both the side. So I am cancelling the bills for collection 47 lakh and definitely entry will be reversed. While we were recording, opposite entry will be there. Oh. How simple it is. How simple it is. Only to maintain the record. Yes. Very good. A very right word Smita said that cancel the bills. Yes, beta, the entry must be reversed. In the same way as you cancel the debenture suspense to debenture, okay? In the same way, yes. So Gayatri only the bitia which had clear, sir, bills for collected clear. This is the way I want your answer. Each and every point you please mention bills for collected clear. Now please proceed further. Is this okay? Tell me first. This is the confusing things. So I am asking you again and again the answer. Okay, beta? Till this okay? Message me fast. Bills collected during the year. Clear. Waiting for your answer. Waiting. Each and every point you must answer for bills for collection at least. Okay, only Gayatri answered. I am still waiting for other students. YouTube students cannot answer. They can give answer by liking and by sharing. Okay. Confusing things clear, sir. Okay, beta. Yes. बहुत आसान है, sir. Yes, beta. But listen to me. Hey Ram, Shri Ram. Listen to me. This is asan, this is easy only the time while we are practicing together. But this can be more easy if you write here in this way. Only to calculate or only to maintain. These are the things which will make you easy always. These are not our assets. These are not our liability. Only we have to maintain the calculation. Nothing else. Okay, beta. Coming to next part of the question, next line of the question. Bills for collection dishonored and returned. Oh my God. Now I am waiting for your answer. What shall you do? Tell me. What shall you do? What shall you do in this case? Come on. I am waiting for your answer. What shall you do in this case? Dishonored. Most of the students, dear Saul will tell, do dishonor entry what foundation did. Do dishonor entry the same which were in foundation. Now tell me, will you do that? Or will you do in the same way which we did for 64 lakh 50,000? Tell me fast. What will be your entry? Please mention your entry without seeing the solution. Waiting. Tell me fast. What will be your entry? Bill dishonor should be cancelled. Very good. Very good. Any Khan, Rahul. We will cancel the entry. Very, very good. Now you know the things. Either it will be received or it will be dishonored. Only we have to cancel. Very good. Each and every student is answering absolutely correct. Gayatri, deduct them. Any Khan, bill dishonor should be cancelled. Rahul, we will cancel the bill. Namrata, reverse the entry. Very, very good. Ben Reddy, BOC, bills over collection, liability. Namrata, same for 645. Yes. Rahul, liability debit to assets. Very good. Bhardwaj, as same bills collected. Very, very good. Smita, assets credit and liability side debit. Very good. Beta. Very, very good. This is the huge confusing area only for those who are thinking that it is the assets for bank or liability for bank. Only the things are there. We have to cancel the record. That's it. Very good. Now, beta, please see the entry. 5,50,000 have also been cancelled here in this way. See, whether it was collected or dishonored, only we have to remove from the records. Very, very good. Now, question is saying prepare bills for collection assets account and bills for collection liability account. Keep in mind, we have to check what examiner is asking. Sometimes examiner asks only one account, bills for collection assets account. He is not asking if he is not asking for bills for collection liability account, then student may get again confused. Think. Now you are in exam and student, bete, examiner is not asking the bills for collection liability account. He is asking only for assets account, bills for collection assets account. This is the situation when student feel problem. In that case, while they are going to revise the double entry, still they have to maintain only the single ledger because they practice in the way I did here practice. Both must be cancelled. Beta, both must be cancelled. But only one account is required if in exam. Then only corresponding account must be in mind, or you can prepare in working note. Okay, beta. So this is the problem when student get confusion. When examiner asks bills for collection assets account either, or bills for collection liability account. I don't think so. Now you will get confusion in any way. Bills for collection liability too. Very, very good. Okay. Now coming to the next part of the question. that is bills for acceptance, endorsement, etc. not yet satisfied. Acceptance, etc. not yet satisfied. Now listen to me. In the same way, we have to maintain these account also. What is these? Beta acceptance, endorsement, etc. Sometimes bank give guarantees on behalf of customer. Busy, this is the word which you will listen in the practical market when you will go for the practice or job or in anywhere in the market. And if you are in connection with a good company or good business for which you are accounting for, then definitely you will listen a word bank guarantee. What is that? Bank give guarantee on behalf of customer to third party that this is my genuine customer and he will not cheat with you. He will not give you any cheating or something like that. So bank gives guarantee. Sometimes bank accept on behalf of customer also. Okay, beta. But think only after receiving the security from the customer. Now again, in the same way, which we have to maintain who we are bank. We have to maintain the records in memorandum for which customer we have given guarantee and how many guarantees still like a sword hanging on our head. जैसे तलवार सिर पे लटक रही हो, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि कस्टमर डिफॉल्ट कर दे और हमें फंसना पड़ जाए. ओके बेटा. So first we have to check in the same way whether any contingency is there. See, opening balances of contingency was how much? In the same way, opening balance of contingent liability was how much? 14,50,000. If customer defaults, only then we have to pay. And in that case, what we shall do? We shall pay, but we shall debit the customer account and we will recover from him. But that is the situation when that will happen. In the actual circumstances, at present, what is the situation? At present, I am bank, I have given just guarantee and I am in fear only. Okay, beta. Although for guarantee also, I will charge the customer, but still I don't need to pay until unless the circumstances happen. Okay, beta. So 14,50,000 is my opening balance of contingent liability. Okay, beta. This is what? This is the liability account, but in contingent. Okay, beta. 14,50,000 is, yes, beta. Letter of credit is also same. Very good, Bhardwaj. LOC, letter of credit, bank guarantee, traveler checks, etc. Those are same, beta. But I'm not taking the name because those will not come in your exam. Okay, beta. So that's the reason I'm limiting to myself. I never ever complete the lectures of banking chapter before 10 lectures. I couldn't, because I always try to give all the things in the class, but still I'm trying to control myself. So anyways, so this is the opening balance. And after that, again, during the year, under question, amounting rupees 44 lakh, further guarantees given by bank, further contain liabilities increase, but those are not actual liability. Again, the same records are being maintained by the bank to whom we have given how much guarantee for which we have to pay if circumstances occurred. Okay, beta. Now, in the same way, now, again the same thing. If customer defaults or customer doesn't default, in both the case, we have to cancel these memorandum records. Now, beta, see, if customer, the bank honored acceptance to the extent of 25 lakh, customer could not pay 25 and bank has to pay, and customer could pay only 10 lakh. It means now contingency has been over, means 35 has been settled. In the same way as we were doing for bills of collection, now we are here maintaining in the same way for guarantees, acceptance, etc. So these have been decided. That means those records have to be cancelled. Now bank will think, How many guarantees are there which are still like a sword hanging on our head? सर पर लटकती हुई तलवार अभी कितनी और बची हुई है? Okay, बेटा. After removing these, balancing figure is there for which still bank can be in tension. Okay, beta. Now, see, one more thing is there. Client failed to pay. Client paid. Client failed to pay. Bank has to pay. Anything name is there. That means those has been cancelled from the record. Okay, beta. Again, the same thing we have to. Now, what is the balancing figure still with the bank? 22 lakh 50,000. This will be shown in the notes to accounts where we shows that these are our contingent liability. Bank will show the contingent liability as 22 lakh 50,000 as on date 31st March 2022. Please tell me acceptance endorsement B point clear. I am waiting for your answer, beta. Is this clear to you all? After that, I shall proceed for the next topic, next part. Sorry. Tell me fast. I am waiting for your answer, beta. I am still waiting for your answer, beta. I am not able to receive message here. I think okay, clear. Okay, very clear. B point clear, sir. It was similar to bills of for collection. Yes, beta Rahul, similar to bills of collection. Clear, very much clear, sir. Can go further. Sir, acceptance endorsement is what for bank? Gayatri beta, contingent liability. We are calculating just contingent liability, how much contingent liability is pending. Okay, beta? Namrata, clear. Okay, beta. Sir, client paid 10 lakh, then why or liability arises? He failed to pay 1 lakh only out of 10 lakh. No, beta. 10 lakh is different and 1 lakh is different. Okay, beta? Okay, beta? Okay. Now, coming to the C part. What we had done, covered A part, B part. Now we are moving further for C part. Clear? Namrata, clear. Okay. See, beta, C part. Please read it carefully. I don't think so. There will be any problem if you read it in simple way. It is found from the records that a loan of 6 lakh was advanced on 30th September 2021. 10% per annum was the rate and interest was half yearly, but the loan was outstanding as on 31st March 2022. Okay. Without any payment. In record. Meantime, either toward principal or interest, the security for the loan was 10,000 fully paid up shares. Against the loan, what was the security? That was 10,000 fully paid up shares. and at the year end, what was the price? See, on 31st March 2022, the stock exchange rate was 82. How much is the amount? 82. What are the price were there at the time of giving security? As you know, in case of shares, the market price matter. So how much is the amount? That is 8,20,000. That is secured part. Okay, beta. Now, what question is asking? Question is asking, how will you classify the loan, secured or unsecured? Question is asking whether it is secured or unsecured. Only this is the point which question is asking. I'm not saying that he is asking for question is asking for standard, substandard, doubtful, etc. No, question is asking only for whether it is secured or unsecured. See, how much is the amount outstanding? 6 lakh. Okay, beta. Plus interest. Okay. 6 lakh. Okay. And how much is the amount? 8 lakh 20,000. That is able to cover all the things. It means that is secured. Okay, beta. Now, Sriram, sir, in exam, can we write 000 yeah, or lakhs? Yes, beta, you can write. You can use the abbreviation lakhs, crore in the same way. Yes, beta. Now, coming to next point. Coming to next point of question, point number D. The following balances are accepted. Very good. Namrata, secured. Very good. Siddharth, secured. Very good. Following balances are accepted from the trial balance on 31st March 2022. See, interest and discount income is there. How much? 98 lakh. Opening rebate. Opening rebate as given in trial balance, you know, opening rebate given in the trial balance. And closing balance of rebate, proportionate discount not yet earned on bills to mature during the year. It means that is closing rebate. You know, not yet earned, unearned, unaccrued income. Closing rebate. This is given closing rebate. What question is asking? Question is asking for prepare ledger account. See, in this question, the solution given by StudyMate, I'm not satisfied with that. I'm not criticizing in any way, but here must be more better presentation. How? See, I'm showing you the solution how this solution should be. See, this is the answer number. This is answer. Answer number 16 and D. D part is there. Okay, beta. Give a heading. Interest and discount income account. Please prepare. How much is opening balance? By opening rebate, like opening unaccrued income. How much is amount? That is 20,000. Closing rebate. It is 14,000. Interest and discount earned, or you can say during the year. During the year. How much that is? That is 98 lakh. So how much is the amount which you should transfer to P&L? You means bank. You are bank. 98 lakh 20,000 is total. 98 lakh 20,000 is total. And to P&L account. To P&L account 98 lakh 6,000 is the amount which is to be transferred to P&L. Okay, beta. Now see, this is the D point. I hope all of you are clear now for point number question number 16. Now, I am coming to the next part of the session, that is financial statement format. After that, we shall do some question of profit and loss. Okay, beta, and then balance sheet. Please tell me first, are you ready till this? Okay, message me so that I can move further. Tell me fast, bachu. And those friends which are on YouTube, they can give message by liking the videos and sharing the videos. Waiting for your answer, bachu. And you can also join us on application of respected ICI. Ready, ready. Okay, beta. Sir, what about the bill discounted and purchase? Beta, what question is asking? See, what question is asking? Prepare the laser account. Beta, rebate bills purchased during the year are only the single amount. You can give their closing balance only. That is the laser. Okay, beta. That was the bills purchased during the year on which 98 lakh were generated along with 4 lakhs others. Okay, beta. In 98 lakh, there is interest and discount both. Definitely, there was discount part on 4 lakh bills. The discount part would be very, very shorter. Okay, beta. Rest part will be of interest part. So, question is not requiring for other lesson in this case. Okay, beta. Sir, once explain 10 lakh point in point number B. C. Again explaining the point number B, 10 lakh. Beta, 10 lakh is what? 10 lakh client paid off. It means bank will remove the records. If he doesn't pay, then bank has to pay. Then also from contingent liabilities, these records are being cancelled. Okay, beta Smita, that's the reason you don't need to take tension. Only you have to cancel or record in these cases. Okay, beta. Anyways, now coming to the next part of the session. And what are those? Those are financial statements. Those are financial statements. See. See. Beta, first we have to go through the statements, financial statement format first. Okay, beta. Financial statement format. Just to give you an overview, and after that directly in the question because of limitation of lecture. Beta, see. The format of balance sheet and financial statements have been given a number in the same way as given in schedule 3rd. Here is also schedule 3rd. Okay, beta. The form, as you know, in case of exam, you always fill form. Yes, sir. For registration, you have fulfill form. Yes, sir. For examination, you will fulfill form. Yes, sir. But means we have to fill up the form. In the same way, you have to learn. There is also fill up a form in case of balance sheets, whether it is of company or it is of banks. That's the reason it is called format. Format word is used where there is a form for the things. Okay, beta. So see. So here given form number A for the balance sheet and form number B for the P&L account. In the same way, as in case of schedule 3rd of Companies Act 2013, there were also two parts, part 1, part 2. Beta, form word is used where there is a format. Okay, beta. Sorry, format word is used there where there is a form. Okay, beta. Now, practical life, you have to just mention the figures directly in the form. Okay, beta. That's the reason it is called format. Now, again, the same thing you will keep. Here is also schedule 3rd of Banking Act. Okay, beta. See, in case of balance sheet, only things have been designed in the same way as in case of schedule 3rd. See, listen to me very carefully. Like it is a general balance sheet. General balance sheet. All the things are here. Capital and liabilities, whether secured or unsecured. And here is all the assets are there. What Schedule 3rd of Companies Act and Banking Act did? They did only these things. First, they mention the liabilities, liabilities and capital. Okay, beta, capital and liabilities. See, capital and liabilities. This will be called one. Okay, beta. And second, this one they have put it here only. Assets, whether it is of Companies Act 2013 or Banking Regulation Act, Banking Act. See, here we have to follow the form. First, we have to understand what are the heads mentioned in the form. Beta, in Companies Act 2013, why I am comparing again and again? Because one reason is there. One reason is only there. Students get confused in some points. Yes, beta Shriram. But the relevant part. See, beta, what we have to maintain here, beta, only one thing is very much different. In Companies Act 2013, these schedules were not fixed for particular head in Companies Act 2013. But here in Banking Act, these schedules numbers are fixed. What happened in Companies Act 2013? If there is no need of working note, notes to accounts, there were notes to accounts number, not schedule number. In the earlier that there was also schedule word, further amended with the word notes to accounts. So note number are there, but note number were not fixed. That capital, for capital we used to maintain the number 1, then second for reserve and surplus, etc., etc. Third number for non-current liabilities, fourth number for current liabilities. Better listen to me very carefully. If non-current liabilities not there, then you will assign the number 3rd only for non-current liabilities. Still, no, that number 3rd is reallotted to further head. Means there is no fixed combination of the note number along with the head. But here the combination is fixed. Note number 1 has been booked specially for capital. That means in note number 1, word number 1 note is only for capital. Okay, beta. Reserve and surplus is specifically given for number 2. Deposit, for deposit number has been allotted 3. If no deposit is there, then number 3 cannot be allotted to borrowings. Okay, beta. Number 4 for these, starting 5 number are for liability part. See, beta. Yes, beta Sheena. Okay. Yes. Now see, starting 5 lecture. So starting 5 note number are for liability side. Okay, beta. Now next 6 numbers are for asset side. See, in this case, bank maintain capital part. All the reserves, whether statutory or whether any reserve, all the reserve are maintained here. Reserve and surplus, you know, the same is the case with the company. Deposits. Deposit means, see, when we say deposit in the usual manner, we think we are depositing. It means we are talking about the assets. But beta, we are bank. We are bank. In this case, deposit word is there when bank is receiving from the customer, usual public. It means deposit here is representing liability. Now borrowings is always liability. Borrowings may be from other banks, maybe from RBI. So RBI, yes. See, one thing I always want to communicate with you. I will tell you the some relevant theory at the right time, and this is the right time. Borrowings. I am telling you something more extra about borrowings. See, other liabilities and provision. It means all the provisions, whether on NPA or provision for income tax, etc., whatever the things are there, all those provisions have to maintain here. But SLR reserves part are to be maintained in the reserve. Okay, beta. Now it's the time to discuss with you all some borrowing part. Sir, what kind of borrowings? Beta, banks can take loan from RBI also, and can give also loan to RBI. Sir, what you are saying? Banks can give loan to RBI. RBI is bank of bank. How? See, I'm going to tell you two things just few minutes later. First, I want to communicate with you all the notes to accounts. Schedule number. See, next six things are for asset side. Next six numbers have been assigned for the asset side. And see, here liquidity order is maintained. In the asset side, liquidity order is maintained. Beta, see, you have listened about permanence order, liquidity order, marshalling theory in the foundation. Yes, bank maintain the asset side in the liquidity order. See, first the liquid assets are maintained. See, cash bank balance with RBI, with banks, money at call and short notice, investments. For this also, I have to tell you some theory. For this and for this and for this. Okay, beta. I'm gonna tell you. Don't worry. Yes, beta. Yes. When ready, I am just talking about the same theory. Yes. Repo rate, reverse repo rate. Yes, beta. Very good. Bank rate, base rate. Those things are to be discussed here. Okay. I always told you that I will tell you the theory at the right time, and I am limiting to myself so that I can communicate with you all in the limited lectures, because the things are so many to discuss. Anyways, advances, advances, all the loans, etc. Loans given, all the loans given comes under this head. Loans given to public in the different way as are considered in this head. Okay, beta. Advance word here representing the loans given. Housing loan given to customer, yes. Business loan given to customer, yes. MSME loan given to customer, yes. In any way, bank has advanced, bank has lent the money to the customer. That has to be represented here. Okay, beta. Now, fixed assets, as you know, non property, plant and equipments, and other assets were there. Non-current assets, yes. Fixed assets and other assets other than those of it. Now I am giving you some theory, star 1, and this is star 2. I am giving you some theoretical point which are very must for you. So now I am telling you, Siddharth is saying, sir, please request ICAI for additional session, please, sir. Even I will give feedback for additional session. Yes, beta, but I cannot see in any way. Okay, beta Siddharth, it totally depends on your feedback. ये पब्लिक के ऊपर है, ये सिर्फ पब्लिक के ऊपर होता है, ये सिर्फ आप ही लोगों के ऊपर होता है. Okay, beta Siddharth, it's only on the feedback of all of you, beta. Okay. Anyways, I am limiting myself, but don't worry, I will still communicate most of the things to you. Don't worry, beta. But I have to limit myself for the purpose of examination and for the purpose of keeping the things within the limited lectures. Okay, beta. Anyways, please do this. Please see this. What I am telling you now. First, you have to see here. This is what our India. This is what foreign country 1, foreign country 2. Foreign country 1. Yes, beta. Coming to the same point, Hitesh, don't worry. Okay, Shira. Anyways, I do not want to make any issue. Just only my teaching is from the bottom of heart to you all guys, beta. So I want, if I say seriously think so, only then. Okay, beta. I don't want to force in any way. I want to request only, and I also want to, you all only to maintain the uh, uh, things in the within the limit, so that I say will not get in any way any negative points from us, both of us. Okay, beta. See, this is our India, and here is a bank. This is what this is. बैंकों का बैंक, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. And here all the banks are there. Okay, beta. B4 banks, B4 banks, B4 banks, B4 banks. See, four things we have to discuss. Number one, cash reserve ratio, CRR. CRR. What is CRR? See, have you ever seen there is a van which move to ATM and deposit the cash in the ATM? Yes, always. The same van is used to shift the cash. While you shall go for the audit of the bank, then you will have to check whether bank is maintaining cash reserve ratio or not. Banks are not required to keep so huge money in their locker. Sir, how they will pay if all the publics will come? Then RBI will return their money to them. RBI says that there is a risk of security always. So there is a van. There is a small van. Okay, I am maintaining here a van. I am drawing here a van. This is the car which keeps cash along with the security guard is there, and which takes cash from here. The excess cash, excess means there is a limit to maintain the cash in a particular branch. Okay, beta. If please don't write any message, otherwise I will focus there. Okay, beta. See, bank has to maintain cash up to a certain limit. If excess cash is there, for which while we will be on audit, we shall check whether bank has in anywhere maintained cash in locker more than the excess limit, because daily cash register is there. We have to check there. If so, then bank has to shift this cash to RBI. Only the excess cash. I am writing here what? Beta, excess cash. Listen to me very carefully. I am writing here what? Excess cash. Excess then limit. Okay, beta. Is this way? Similarly, SLR, yes, beta. Wait a minute. The excess cash RBI has to receive from the banks. Okay, beta. So that there is a security. And one cash is mandatory to maintain with RBI. One cash is mandatory to maintain. That is called cash reserve ratio. CRR. That is at least for examination purpose, as per RTP, it is 4%. RBI declares in its circular. RBI says, come to my website and check what percentage I have decided which you have to maintain. And for an exam, we see whether our RTP is as per circular or not. Okay, no problem. We shall follow our respected ICA RPT for our examination purpose. Beta, usually circular updations comes in RTP, but we have to maintain the decorism. We have to maintain as per, we have to give solution as per RTP. See, although updated percentage is 4.5%, definitely it will be updated in the next exam attempt. But yet now, for this attempt, it is only 4%. See what I am telling you. Beta, this is the CRR, cash reserve ratio. Okay. Now, one thing I want to tell you, beta, this cash is not transferred to head office of RBI. This cash is maintained. RBI has opened, RBI has selected one of the banks in the local there, one of the banks in the local there, one of the banks in the local there. RBI said, I will say this is my branch of RBI. Big banks are usually selected by RBI. Branch of RBI. RBI. To whom we say this is currency chest. We say practically in life as a currency chest. Okay, beta. This is the scenario. First, you have to understand this thing. Now, I am coming to the next part of the theory part. And what is that, sir? Now, I am removing the CRR. Okay, beta. Now, I am removing the CRR part. See. Now, now see, beta. A theory is also, another theory is also there, which belongs to borrowings part. See, banks charge to customer, bank charge to their customer. See, these are the customers. These are the customers, public, to whom bank charge interest. Bank give loan. Bank give loan. These are the banks. Banks give loan to public. This is what? This is public. Banks give loan to public. And and also receive from public by paying some lesser interest. While bank give loan to public, this is called, please understand theory part, this is called bank rate. What we say? This is called bank rate. Also another name is there. Also another name is there. Anyways, you keep in your mind bank rate. Okay, beta. Sometimes bank doesn't have funds. Funds of bank has been blocked. In that case, banks borrow money from RBI, and this is called, at which rate RBI give loan to banks. These are called repo rate. This is called repo rate. Repo rate. Sometimes RBI also need, because RBI has to maintain synchronization between all the banks, among all the banks. Maybe RBI will ask any of the banks, these or any these, in any manner, from any bank. If RBI asks to borrow money, then it is called reverse repo rate. Reverse repo rate. Reverse repo rate. Now tell me first, bank rate, repo rate, reverse repo rate theory is clear to you all or not? Please tell me first, what is bank rate? Can you write in exam? Repo rate, if short note question is there, then can you write these things in exam? Repo rate, reverse repo, or bank rate? Tell me fast, is this clear to you or no? Theory clear, sir. Okay, beta, clear, sir. These are very, very important theory, I think. Yes, beta, Sriram, excess cash limit is calculated by bank, because RBI has fixed this limit you have to maintain. Okay, beta. Similarly, SLR is also to maintain. Yes, beta. Clear, sir. Only 3 student has answered. Beta, I am still waiting for rest of the student. Please tell me fast. I am still waiting. 36 are watching and only 18 likes I got from YouTube. It means students are not agree with me. Beta, if you are agree, then please you can show your presence by giving likes on the video at YouTube. Crystal clear? Okay, beta. Yes, sir. Clear. Okay. Now coming to the next part of the theory. See, only this is not the way for borrowings or financial transactions. More things are also there. And what are those, sir? See, what are those? Beta, sometimes banks can also give to each other, to each other at this rate at which these inter branch, between the branch it is called inter branch, between the branch is called inter branch, between the branch it is called inter branch. And in our India, most of the things dealt from Mumbai in the earlier time. See, just for make you understand. So that's the reason it is called MIBOR. 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 Means, sir, give me full form. This is called MIBOR rate first. First you write down MIBOR rate. What is the full form of MIBOR rate, sir? It means when one bank give loan to another bank or take loan from another bank at that rate. This is called MIBOR rate. Okay, beta. The full form is there. Mumbai Inter Bank Operating Rate. Mumbai Inter Bank Rate. Namrata, in one with RBI, and RBI select a branch. RBI maintain a branch in one of the bank. Okay, beta. Namrata, that is called currency chest. That name is given currency chest. Okay, beta. Anyways, okay, Sheil Sinde, first time I got your message, beta. Anyways, thank you that you are clear. Now, one more theory is also there. That is, as like banks are transacting with each other. Yes, in the same way, when the transaction happens between the Indian bank and foreign bank, giving or receiving the money, that rate at which such transaction happens, that is called LIBOR, LIBOR rate. What is the full form? London Inter London means while in international market banks transact with each other, then that rate is called, at which rate those are dealing with each other, those are called LIBOR. LIBOR means London Interbank Offered Rate. Offered rate. As I told you, I will tell you theory at the right time, according to me, what I feel. Now see, CRR means bank balance with RBI. Now see, bank balance can also be with other banks. Yes. In the same way, corresponding. Loan can also be from other bank. Borrowings can also be from other bank. See. Okay, beta. I hope all the things are clear to now. Now I am coming to profit and loss part of the balance sheet. Now tell me first, balance sheet part is okay with you all? Balance sheet part is okay with you all? Now I am coming to the profit and loss part, and after discussing these things, there will be a theory part, SLR. SLR, I know I have communicated with you all percentage, but still what is SLR and in which form these are to be maintained will be discussed here. Okay, beta? Now tell me first, balance sheet is okay. Only one person answered, and still YouTube could not give your response. YouTube students, you can also join our session at ICI application. Clear, everything clear. Okay, beta. Now see, this is the form B, As you know, Form A was for balance sheet, in which starting five schedules were for liability side, and next six were for which asset side, and there was also a point that is 12, that is for notes to accounts contain liability. Okay, beta. So number will start 4, P&L from which 13. So 13 to 16 are for this. Now, see, Form B. Yes, beta Hitesh. Interest earned. Beta, you know, in case of normal business, you have transferred interest income to P&L. In the same way, here is also transfer. Only the unaccrued part is adjusted. Okay, beta? Yes, Hitesh. Again. Income earned. So 13 is for interest and 15 is for interest expense. Okay, beta, these are the main income and main expense. And for other, second schedule is also inserted in the income side and expense side. After 13, there is a 14, and after 15, there is a 16 for other than main. And now there is no schedule number assigned to provisions and contingencies. Okay, beta, all the provisions comes here. In the practical life, after 16, banks give normally the schedule number, but these are as per their own choice. Okay, beta, they can maintain 1, 2, 3, 4. What we shall do, sir, in exam? For provision we have to calculate. Yes. What we shall do? Should we give 17 number? No, beta. We are not bank. We have to give here in examination presentation point of view. Here is working note number 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever the number is there as per the requirement of our solution. So we shall not give schedule number. We shall give solution with the working note. Okay, beta, as per the sequence of calculation. After that, the profit comes here. Okay. Now, if I ask you a thing, tell me fast. I will ask you one thing, and I want answer from all of you guys. I will ask some question, and I will wait for your answer. Okay, beta. I am gonna ask you some question. Tell me, where will interest income on deposit with RBI fall in 13 or 14? I am asking about income side. Tell me fast. Where will income from interest on deposit with RBI? Tell me fast. 13 or 14? Waiting for your answer, beta. All these things you will find in question, but still I want to clear you first. After that, I shall start with the question. Tell me. 13. Very, very good. Okay. Now, answer fast. Only, beta, fast. Super fast. Okay, beta. We shall do it then question. 14. No, beta. Interest is main income for bank. Whether that will be earned from RBI or from other banks or from any person. Interest and discount is main income, and main income will fall in which 13. Okay, beta. Now I am asking you again. Next, bank has to maintain cash with RBI. Yes. Income from investment also, income from investment in the form of interest or dividend. Those are also part of schedule 13. Okay. Now asking for another point. Interest from advance given in question. Where will you write in exam? Interest from advance. Tell me first. Interest from advance. Where will you write? Of course, in 13. Now, if there is any other income, profit on sale of fixed assets, where it will fall? Tell me first. I am asking you just to make you understood first. Only after that we shall practice the question so that we can handle the question in the properly and in the better manner. Okay, beta? Of course, schedule number 14. If profit on sale of investment is there, then that is not the main purpose. The main purpose is to earn the income regular basis, interest, dividend, etc. from anywhere. That is schedule 13. Otherwise, all the things are 14. Now, next, commission, brokerage, etc. Commission, brokerage, etc. Are these interest or discount? No. It means those will fall in 14. Now, next. Okay. Okay, let's do some more thing. And after that, we shall go with the question. Okay. One more thing I will discuss. Interest paid to other banks, interest paid on deposit, those will fall on which? 15. Bank rent, bank's salary, staff salary, light expense, all the things will fall under 16. All rest of the things, okay beta, and all the provisions will fall here. And after that, while profit during the year is this one, during the year, this is what, this is the current year profit or loss, okay beta, this is what, this is current year profit. Now see, listen to me very carefully. Now there is some statutory reserve. Now profit will be appropriated. Beta, see, there is something from the last year. This is what, this is opening P&L appropriation account from last year, which was the closing balance of P&L appropriation last year. See, the profit, this total profit is divided into 4 parts. These 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. It means if suppose this is what 100 and this is was 20, then it means 120 crores. Then in this case of appropriation, we shall be dividing 120 crores in the 4 parts. In the 4 parts, either we shall kept in reserve. The reserve will be either statutory reserve or other reserve. Other reserve or statutory reserve, what is the difference? Statutory reserve, here is SLR, statutory liquidity reserve. Always there is a restriction on the profit earned by bank, so that bank cannot be failed. So the profit is kept for the future to compensate or for future reference purpose. If we want to maintain the continuity, then we have to keep our profit for future purpose, and SLR says at least 25% of profit bank has to maintain in statutory liquidity form. Statutory liquidity form means bank has to maintain the funds in liquid assets. Okay beta, SLR, statutory liquidity reserve it is called. Okay beta, and listen to me very carefully beta. This is what, this is our theory part, where you have to maintain this, you have to maintain in the form of cash. Bank has to maintain in the form of cash or in any of the form or combination of their gold or unencumbered approved security. I have written here UAS, unencumbered approved securities. RBI updates this percentage. Again, the same thing we have to follow. First, we have to check RBI site. If there is a change in RBI site, then we have to check whether that change has been adopted in our RTP or not for examination purpose. I am giving you the things for permanent nature. You need not to ask to anywhere before the exam. Usually, I always found the answer question from the students before the exam. Sir, what the percentage we have to apply for the examination? Then I usually don't answer those queries. Just before one day, you are asking. You know, I answer only on public social media at Facebook or YouTube, whatever channel is mine. I always update there, but I usually don't answer on phone because beta, I clearly tell you the things how you should be independent for your searching for searching these things. I am telling you here again. Those students who ask before the exam, that means those are no serious. Just one day before you are asking, beta, see these percentage, how these percentage to be applied for exam, you have to see in this way. I'm gonna communicate with you all again. First, you have to check the RBI circular, whether there is new circular. If there is new circular, then percentage change or no? No. If no, then already you are updated. If any change is there, then you have to check whether that percentage has been adopted in our respected ICAI RTP or no. You need not to ask to anywhere. You must be independent for this. You are gonna become chartered accountant. Charteredness should be developed in these things. So you have to check that things have been adopted in our RTP or no. If so, then we shall follow this. Okay, beta. If not updated in RTP, then we have to follow RTP because examiner is not asking for the latest percentage at RPS set, that is still asking you the RTP. Okay, beta. And if there is no change in RBI, then there is or RTP will definitely be in the same synchronization. Okay, beta. Now see, the percentage may be for those students who will be appearing the next attempt because of their planning. So they have to check first RBI side, then RTP. Anyways, now coming to the next part. So beta, other reserve as per the requirement of the question will tell us dividend after completing all the things. The rest of the things are as per the question. If question will tell us, only balance part will be closing in the appropriation account. I know this was some boring, but the format discussion is mandatory, beta. Otherwise, how you will deal with the question? Anyways, now I am giving you break, and after the break, we shall do practice from the question. And I don't think so there is any theory except one, classification of investment, which I will tell you during the question. Okay, beta. All the theory, if I will give you in one shot, then definitely you will get bored. Okay, beta. So I'm gonna give you 5 minute break. After 5 minute break, we shall practice for the question of financial statements. Okay, beta. As you know, I told you all what I told you all. I'm gonna show you here. What is that, sir? Sir, are you angry? No, beta, no. I'm giving you the things how you should communicate for your exam. You should not ask percentage to anywhere. Beta, we have done all these things. Now we are on the practice part of these type of questions. First, we shall do these questions. Okay, beta. Take a break. Sir. हाँ जी बेटा, आर यू देयर? शो मी योर प्रेजेंस बच्चों. Breakfast and break. Very good. When ready? So, beta, show me your presence first. We are now going to solve the questions. And please open question number 18 on page number 7.74. Question number 18 on page number 7.74 in the PDF which I have already given to you. Okay. So, see, this is the data regarding a bank. The question is given and asks from the following information, prepare profit and loss account of Dimple Bank. What they are asking? Profit and loss account of Dimple Bank. Maybe I have never heard about this bank. Anyways, Dimple Bank is their name. Maybe some of the see, profit and loss account is to be prepared. How you will prepare profit and loss? As per form B. Definitely as per form B. Form B will apply. And as per form B, schedule 13, 14, 15, 16, then provision, then profit, opening balance, profit during the year, then appropriation, SLR, you have to maintain 25%, whether question is saying or not, you have to maintain at yourself. If question say then okay, then maintain that reserve ratio. Otherwise, SLR you have to maintain, and any other reserve if question say then we have to appropriate that also. See, these are the figures which have been given to us for the previous year 2001, 2002. These are the past year figures. You know, each and every financial statements are presented in with comparative figures, whether it is company 2013 or banking or anywhere except individual and partnership. Anyways, these are the figures which belongs to current year 2022-2023 as per the question requirement. What we have to do in the question in exam? First, we should write here schedule number. That will make you the question very easy. Please note down here the schedule number as per your own understanding. Schedule number, first maintain schedule number because you have to prepare schedule. So first you assigned a schedule number at the each and every item of question. Okay, beta? Sorry. Interest and discount. In which schedule it will fall? Please tell me fast. Interest and discount. Schedule number 13. Income from investment. Yes, interest income from investment. And interest on balance with RBI. Schedule number 13. Next, commission, brokerage, and profit on sale of investment. This will fall in schedule number 14. Interest on deposit. Beta. Sorry. ठंड लग गई थोड़ा सा 2 मिनट. Interest on deposit 8,22,000. Sorry. 822. This is what? This is beta expense. You know, expense interest to RBI means interest has been paid to RBI, or definitely amount could be borrowed from there. Now you will be answer more reliably. These are what? These are expense interest means schedule number 15. Next, payment to and provision for employees. These are what? These are expense. But these are not expense of schedule 15, expense interest. Okay. These will fall in schedule number 16. Rent, taxes and lighting, printing stationeries, advertisement, publicity, depreciation, director fees, all rest of the things you will find here. All such belongs to schedule number 16. See, schedule number 16. Anyways, now after this, question is giving you one adjustment, that is the following items are already adjusted with interest and discount credit amount. Means in the income figure given above, these have already been adjusted. What are the figures? Those have been adjusted. See, this figure is after adjustments, after adding or reducing, after adding or deducting those items, then such figure is there. Okay. Now see what the figure should be adjusted or what the figure should not be adjusted. First decide this. Tax provision should not be adjusted. Why these have been adjusted? Provision should not be adjusted because provision are shown separately. Loss on investment should not be adjusted in this because this is a separately head item. It means these three have been reduced from there. Rebate, that has also been reduced, but yes, this should be reduced. Why? Because in case of BR discounted, closing rebate is reduced from there. It means this should not be reduced from there. How these should be, that's the different thing. Those are not to be shown here. Okay, beta. Now, what we shall do here? What we shall do here? First, we have to total these things. Okay, beta. 252. 252 is the amount total which have been wrongly adjusted with interest and discount amount. It means this should be added back first so that we can find out the correct figure of interest and discount. In which amount? The figure of 20545. Is this the figure? Yes, 2045 has been found out after reducing these. It means the correct figure will be find it back for the discount and interest part. That is 5 और 2 7, 4 और 5 9, 2. 2297 is correct amount. 2297 is correct amount. Okay, beta. Next, sir, are these not to be adjusted anywhere? Yeah, these are to be adjusted, but not in this figure. Where these are to be adjusted? Beta, provisions. In case of provision, we have to adjust. These both are provisions. How much total is there? 8 और 2 10, 1 और 10 और 4 14, 1 और 1 2. 240 is the amount which is to be shown separately in the provision, not to be adjusted here. Okay, beta. And loss on investment should be adjusted along with this. Should be adjusted with profit on sale of investment. Profit on one side you are saying that there is a profit on sale of investment, another side you are saying the loss of investment is there. Profit on sales of investments. Okay. Namrata beta, rebate was Sorry, rebate was not added back. Yeah, I'm gonna drink water just a minute. Rebate was not added back because closing rebate is reduced. You know, we have practiced today in a question. Closing rebate is reduced to find out the current year income. I think you remember. Wait a minute. We have prepared a ledger today in which we did. Yes, this one is. Beta, see how you got this income after reducing the closing rebate. Okay, beta. Suppose this is nil, then what will you do in 98 lakh? You will definitely reduce this. After that, you will be able to find out this. Okay, beta. So closing rebate are definitely reduced. Okay. Now we are coming to the next part of the discussion in the question. After that, we will solve completely to in the systematic manner. So appropriations are there. Since question has given that 25% is SLR. Okay. If question doesn't give, then also still we have to, if suppose if question doesn't give this, then what we shall do? Then also we have to maintain because these are the statutory reserve which we have to maintain. Next one. These are also additional reserve which we have to maintain as per the requirement of question. Next. Now, beta, please prepare statement of profit and loss account. Please prepare profit and loss account. Give a heading. Answer number 18. Answer number 18. How we should prepare? Better please prepare only in systematic manner. In the same way, in which way you have to present your answer in exam. Give current year and previous year figure. Current year, previous year, profit and loss account, profit and loss account, for the year ending 31st March 2023. Name of bank is Dimple Bank. Particulars. Then note number. Figures in thousands. Remember, here we will represent only the headings. Income, then two types of income are there. Number one, you can also give numbering A and B. No issue will be there. Interest earned, B. Other income. Give schedule number there. That is 13. That is 14. And then do a total column. Insert a total column. After that, expense side is there. expense, expenditures. Okay, then A, interest, expense. Give schedule number 15 and then 16 number 2. Please do practice with me. B, other operating expense. Instead of writing other, do directly operating expense, because other than interest, all the expenses are for operation. Then do again total, and after that you will be able to find out profit and loss, total amount, profit or loss, total amount. First you give here A, give here B, then you will be able to find out profit of the year. How? A minus B. There is no schedule for this. Okay, beta? Okay, provision is also there. Yes. Okay, wait a minute. Provision is also there. Wait. Wait a minute. Provision is also there. Yes. We have to insert provision part also. Please give here C point. C point. Provisions. Okay. After that, do total. And then only then give third column. That is profit oblique loss, then A, profit of the year or loss of the year, bracket A minus B. Give here B for the total, in which you will add B part, that is opening P&L account. Okay, then it will be total figure which is to be appropriated, which we have to appropriate here as per the requirement of question and as per the requirement of statutory. So this total figure will be same, the total of these things 4. Okay, this will be same figure. Okay, beta. First we have to decide what kind of appropriations are there. Statutory, or you can say SLR. Directly say as per the question word, use the word, same word. Statutory reserve, statutory reserves. Then B part is there. other reserve. C part, if question says for this, C part is for dividend part. As per the question, it is nil. Rest of the part is there for D. Balance transferred to balance sheet. Okay, beta. This total will be same. Please give me a feedback that you all are also practicing with me. Beta, without practice, there is no use of class. Even if limitation is there, but still we shall practice in the good way. Not we are practicing so many of questions, but whatever the practice is there, that should be in the good way. Anyways, now what we have to prepare here is these all scheduled 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now in exam, on the next page, you will give a heading working notes on the separate page. Sorry, not working note. You will give heading schedules. What you will give? Schedules. Okay, beta. And start preparing schedule like schedule number 13. Keep in mind, you have to give previous year figure also. 13. Schedule number 13. Interest earned. Current year, previous year. Practicing. Okay, beta, very good. Yes, sir, very simple lesson after you have told this simple concept. Sir, if question is silent, then also we have to maintain procedure. Yes, beta, Namrata. Okay, ji, okay. Next schedule is there. That is schedule number 14. Beta, you can also prepare with this space. Okay, beta. But the presentation should not be heard. Maintain the space in the presentable way. Okay. Now this is what? This is schedule number 14. Schedule number 14. Other incomes. Current year, previous year, and after that, next schedules are also there. Schedule number 15. I think only one item is there, so we will prepare as per the requirement. Schedule number 15. Interest expense. Okay, not one, two items are there. Anyways, current year, then previous year. Now next is schedule number 16. As you know, many items are there for expense, so please prepare accordingly using the space. Schedule number 16. Other expenses. Other expenses. Current year and then previous year. Sir, what if previous year balance is not given in the question? Very good question. Neha is asking very good question. Please listen everyone carefully. If a question doesn't give previous year figure, then please beta prepare a column and leave blank. Give dash. Okay, beta. Now please do as per the question. Question you have found out the figure of relevant schedule and put them there. 13. First start with schedule 13. And schedule 13 is there. Let's do it. Interest earned. Number 1. I am zooming here. Interest earned. Beta, an adjustment is there, I think. No, not in this question. Interest earned. See, this was 2045 plus. Add back those have already been deducted. 148 show in this way. Plus 92 figures in thousands. Okay. Plus 12 and it has becomes 2297. Okay, sir, understood. And correspondingly previous year figure you are to present in the same way, this one. Okay, and this one. But please do fast. Next one is schedule 13. In schedule 13, next one is interest income from investment. Okay, do it. Second point is income from investment. Income from investment. 112, no adjustment is there. 114, please do fast. Next. Okay, number 3rd, interest on balance with RBI, Reserve Bank of India, with RBI. How much amount is there? 117, and then corresponding figure 155. But no, none of the more figure are there. So please do total. How much is total? 7 और 2 9 16, एक और एक 2 और एक 3 और 9 12, एक और एक 2 और एक 3 और 2 5, 2526. Oh, this is 177. Sorry, 177. It means that becomes 2586. 2586. Then 1696. Now please do fast. We are putting these figures into the main statement from the schedule. 2586 and then 1696. Okay, beta. Next one. Are you practicing? How many of you are enjoying paratha? Please tell me. Please message me that you are focusing on question, not on parathas, etc. Anyways, next one is 14. Schedule 14. Please do prepare. Schedule 14. Other incomes. Number 1, commission. What was written? Commission, exchange and brokerage. Commission, exchange and brokerage. That is 712, 722. Then profit on sale of investment. Second is profit on sales of investments, how much is profit? That is 1, 1, 2 and correspondingly 12. But keep in mind the figure which was adjusted there as a loss of investment. Beta, that will also be adjusted here as a loss of investments. In actual, 112 will be compensated by these things. Okay, 112 minus 12, that is 110. Okay. Okay. No Pratha, no, only problem solving. Sir, enjoying Saturday morning only with CA Jarathi and advanced account, simple accounts. Okay, beta. Very good. Anyways, I think one more figure is there. No, any figure is there. Okay, we have already mentioned the schedule. So beta ji, let's finish this. How much is total? 2, 1 और 1 2, 7 और 1 8, 2 और 1 3, 2 और 2 4, 7, 8 2 2 7 3 4. So these are 8 2 2 and 7 3 4. Do total 4 6 10, 1 और 3 4 9 13, 1 और 7 8 और 6 14, 1 और 1 2, 6 और 2 8, 8 और 2 10, 1 और 8 9 और 5 14, 1 और 2 3. Next one. Now we are going to prepare schedule number 15, interest expense. So beta ji, please prepare interest expense schedule. Where we have written, these are the interest expense, interest on deposit, these are the past year figure, these are the current year figure. Okay, interest on deposit, interest to RBI, interest on deposits, interest to RBI. No further adjustments are there. 822, 8 22 and 612 corresponding, and then 147 and 127. What is the total amount? 7 और 2 9, 8 2 और 4 6, 8 और 1 9, 2 और 7 9, 2 और 1 3, 6 और 1 7, 969 and 739. This is the total amount of interest expense. Please do total and write it properly in the systematic way. There will be not even a single marks which will be get detected if you will do presentation in the same way in which I am giving you presentation. Operating expenses. Now we shall prepare operating expense schedule. Operating expenses schedules are there. Okay, in which all you have to mention the things here. Okay, beta. देखे जरा ऐसे हो जाएगा क्या? Oh wow, really good. बड़ा आसान हो गया भाई, फिगर्स को उठा के रखना. Very very good. Okay, in this case we can do fast question solution in the fast manner. Very good. Okay, so beta, see. 855 and 727, 179 and 158, 212 and 147, 98 and 112. In case of depreciation, also 98 and then 98 and then 212 and 148 and then 110 and 110 and 152 and 50, then 62 and 48 and then 52, 42 and then 66, 57. Please do presentation, not in this way. I am doing here for some shortcuts. Okay, beta. Anyways, wait a minute. Wait a minute. There are some possibilities. Wait a minute. 855. Yes. Profit there. Sir, question. One question: in case income from something else credited to interest discount, then we deduct it, right? Yes, beta Prabhas, you are right. Anyways, 179. Yes, 179. Wait a minute. Okay, 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 okay. Please do practice. Okay, okay, okay. 98 current year, and then 122, 112 for last year. Then 98 in current year, and also for the last year. Okay, beta ji. It becomes so easy to copy and paste for me, but you have to write because you have to become chartered, and I have already become chartered. So you have to do practice more, and these are the maje which are being taken by me after becoming chartered. $152 and then 50, then 62 and then 48, then 52 and then 42. Okay, 42, then 66, then 57. Okay, beta. I hope you have also prepared the schedule, and now do the total. How much is total? Total is there 2096 and 1697. By the time your copy paste, I completed writing, sir. Yes, yes, Pooja. I thought why I was copying paste. I should also write it. That could ever save my time. Anyways, these are the experience. Over the time we get these. Now come to the point, beta. So these are the figures. 20. What is the figure? 2096 and then 1697. And what was the provision, beta? It was total of two figures. See, it was the total of two figures. Provision for tax and provision for doubtful debts. You can prepare working note. Working note number 1. Please do prepare a working note. Working note number 1. See, this is the working note. Working note number 1. Give heading provisions. After this question, we will conclude the session. Rest practice will be done in the next class. And along with that, we shall start NBFC also, because not so much questions are there. I will give you homework. Okay. So current year and previous year. Provision for tax, that is 148 figures are already in thousand. Okay, past year figure was not given, so we can ignore that. Okay, next, provision for doubtful debts given, those are 92. So figure ignore last year figure. Total is 8 to 10, 1 और 9 10 और 4 14, 1 और 1 2, 240. So 240 is the total of provision during the year. So from this you will reduce, you will also write here 240. So do total 6 9 15, 1 और 4 5 और 9 14 और 6 20, 2 और 2 4 और 9 13, 1 और 2 3, 9 और 7 16, 1 और 9 10 और 3 13, 1 और 6 7 और 7 14, 1 और 1 2. Next, what is the difference between them? It is 103. Okay, and here is -6. Since nothing was there further, so this was -6. It means loss were there in the earlier year, and since nothing more was given regarding the last year, so -6 was the balance carry forward to next. No statutory reserve, no other reserve, no dividend, because profit was not there. Then how can we transfer to any reserve? So loss was carry forwarded. So in the next year, loss was carry forwarded, and the total becomes 97,000. Okay, beta. Now it's the time to distribute 97,000. First, we have to transfer to SLR, statutory liquidity reserve. SLR, beta. SLR is there. How much percentage is there? Percentage is there for SLR. For SLR, percentage is there. Of course, 25%. Or for any other reserve, is there any further percentage? Check, please. No. Yes, given there. Okay, beta. Those are 5%. So do calculation here. What is the amount which you will transfer to SLR? Tell me fast. I am waiting for your answer. बच्चों बताओ जल्दी, मैं वेट कर रहा हूं. क्या अमाउंट होगी? What is the amount of SLR? Waiting for your answer. 25% and 5%. Dividend is nil. Of course, question doesn't give. I am waiting for your answer. I want to know. Please tell me fast. I want to know. At which amount you will apply the percentage? Normally, question also creates here problem. Don't give me total amount. Give me separate amount. Okay, beta. According to me, first answer is wrong, beta. First answer is wrong. Please, everyone answer. Only one student to try to answer. Okay, now students are answering, but I couldn't found the right answer. Maybe one of the right answer is there. C. No. Now C. Beta, what is the purpose of putting the figure in reserve? Just to shift our profit for future purpose. Profit. Which profits? Which were earned during the year. And the percentage applied to the profit earned during the year, not to the total profit. Not to the profit of the last year. Percentages are applied only to the current year. It means at 103 only, you will apply this percentage. These are the common mistake. Don't worry. Those who have mistaken, don't worry. This is the time to learn. 103 multiplied by 25%. These are 25.75 rupees, and 103 multiplied by 5%, 5.15. So since there is no any dividend, so after reducing these things, here is the figure, you know. This is the amount which is to be transferred to balance sheet. Understood now? Okay, beta. Okay. Okay, Hirel. Okay, you answered this. Okay, beta. Yes, you are right, Hirel. You answered correct. Okay. Now I'm gonna give you homework. Please see. If I will do more practice, then that may create problem for you because there must be a systematic way of presentation. Oh, sorry, systematic way of question practice. Please do homework for these questions, whatever I am giving you. Question number 18, which is very good question. This should be marked as revisionary question for profit and loss. Okay, beta? Yes, beta, I'm fine. Don't worry. Next, question number 17, which belongs only to balance sheet. Here you will do practice only the balance sheet items to put them in the correct schedule. Okay, beta? Please see. These are the questions belonging to these category. Next one. Now, there is also one more question, which I am giving you in homework. That is question number 20. That is complete question. P&L and balance sheet both in the same question. Okay, beta? So this is the way you are to practice. Now, after that, what we shall do in the next class, if there could be any doubt, then I will take those doubt. Otherwise, there will be only one theory part, theory part, that is types of investments held by bank, and some percentages are also there, which are usually changed. Okay, beta? And second part is for notes to accounts. For notes to accounts, there is a ratio, capital adequacy ratio, which is very important, and also balance sheet of items. Okay, beta? Risk adjusted value, risk adjusted value of balance sheet of item. Okay, beta? Schedule number 14. 14 is the other than interest and discount income. All the things are to be transferred to schedule number 14. Okay, beta, Sudhanshu? Okay. I want to do practice with you all guys more and more. But beta, if I will do practice, then you could not be able to practice. So first I want to give these three types. These are the only three questions in homework. In that case, you could be able to face the problem. And if students are able to attend these questions, then please do practice from past examination questions, which you will find here. See, this is November 2019 question. See how the questions are being asked in exam. Now, although session has been completed, but the relevant part I want to discuss so that you can see how many types of the questions are being asked in exam. In the same way, you can also answer. You can do these things in practice in homework. अभी बात करता हूँ मैं क्लास में 5 मिनट बात करता See, all the things are dicto same as you had just covered here. Okay, beta? This was November 2019. See, November 2018. This is also in your exam, your in homework. Okay, beta? Why I am not giving you just latest, beta? Those belongs to capital adequacy ratio, which is yet to tell. See, this is the balance sheet part. This is what? This is for CAR ratio, capital adequacy ratio related, which we shall do. Okay, beta? Now, see the latest questions asked in exam. After those, This is what? Again, CAR ratio, capital adequacy ratio, January 2021. See, the question of latest, what they want from you in this question. They want you are required to prepare profit and loss account. I want to make you understand that these chapters are huge easy. But only one thing you have to do is practice. Even wordings are not changed in the question. So many times questions are being asked and the same type of questions are being asked. No change is there except one. Capital adequacy ratio are now being asked. Otherwise, from 40 years, those were not being asked. Anyways, beta, if you do homework, you have 2 days. If you do homework, then definitely you will get what I am telling you. The questions are so much easy. Examination papers are so much easy nowadays that is very easy for you all. Okay, beta. Anyways, now I am concluding the session. These are the homework which you have to follow. After that, another homework is there of past examination questions. Okay, beta, past examination questions. Do practice. Yes, as compared to amalgamation, this is too easy, but amalgamation is more easy as compared to this. I challenge. You can search YouTube videos, see Ajrati. You will find the complete amalgamation. That will also more easy. Okay, beta. Anyways, most of the students who are in Hindi, I have given free videos. You can search at YouTube also. Okay, beta. Those will help you a lot. And I will take down here. Anyways, okay, bacho. Bye bye. Take care. All the very best. Prabhas, I will tell you. Don't worry. And next class, we shall also start NBFC. Okay, bye bye, bacho. So please complete the session.